Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Social Media Leap, how digital connectivity is affecting emerging economies. I'm Mark Buell, and I'm the Regional Bureau Director for North America at the Internet Society. I'd like to start by welcoming everyone who is joining us here today, both in person and online via live stream. We're really excited to be here with the Pew Research Center to help launch their groundbreaking new research on mobile connectivity in emerging economies. We're going to have a chance to learn and discuss how mobile trends are impacting communities and online experiences in 11 countries around the globe. We're also going to have a panel discussion with leading industry experts about what these trends can tell us about regional solutions to connect the rest of the world. And last but not least, we'll follow with a cocktail reception. So make sure you stick around so we can carry the conversation on into the later afternoon. Before we get to the research, I'd like to take a moment to tell you about the Internet Society and why it's important for us to be here today. I think a lot of you know the Internet Society was founded more than 25 years ago. And one of our earliest priorities was to increase the reach of the Internet, and that continues to be our main goal today. We support and promote the development of the Internet as a global technical infrastructure, a resource to enrich people's lives, and a force for good in society. We truly believe that the Internet is for everyone in all countries, everywhere. We won't rest until each person in the world has the option of choosing to be connected. Why is this important to us? As our Chief Executive Officer, Andrew Sullivan, likes to say, nobody internets alone. It couldn't be more true. The Internet has always thrived because it was founded on principles of openness and accessibility. Because the Internet is a network of networks voluntarily agreeing to connect with one another, we're literally stronger together than we are apart. The Internet is for everyone because it was built by everyone, and it literally works best that way. But unfortunately, as many of you know, about half the world's population still does not have access to the Internet. Infrastructure and cost are two huge barriers preventing people from getting online. So one of our main areas of work in 2019 is to further our mission to connect the world through infrastructure and connectivity solutions and advocacy. The research Pew is launching here today is significant to this work. Mobile networks revolutionized access to connectivity, both through phones and those that provide internet access to computers and other devices. Pew's research shows that mobile internet usage is an increasingly common means for people in developing countries to get online. By learning how mobile connectivity is impacting communities and experiences online, we'll be better informed to develop both policy and infrastructure solutions to ensure the rest of the world can be a part of shaping the future of the Internet. This year, the Internet Society is doing a lot of work in these areas. We're promoting policies and building communities to sustain an Internet that is a universally accessible platform for innovation, creativity, and economic opportunity. Having access to research like Pew's that tell us why and how people are using the Internet around the world is very important. It will help give us a better understanding of how to create sound policy and how to create an enabling environment for relevant access solutions to make sure that people everywhere have the option to get online. And as a personal side note, we've of course got an advanced copy of the research, and it's a dangerous thing for data nerds like a lot of us at the Internet Society to get an advanced copy of research, because you start going down crazy rabbit holes and making connections and staying up way too late. But with that, I'd actually like to introduce Lee Rainey from the Pew Research Center to share some of the key findings of the study. Lee?